Have you ever wondered how you can make money online? Imagine a life where you control your income, your time, and your location. This isn't just a dream, but a reality for countless people across the globe. And today, we're going to show you how you can become one of them. Step 1. Identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Maybe you're a master at graphic design, or perhaps you have a knack for writing. Whatever it is, there's a high chance someone out there is willing to pay for your skills. Step 2. Create a portfolio showcasing your work. It's important to show potential clients what you can do. This could be a website, a blog, or even a social media page. The key is to make it professional and easy to navigate. Step 3. Start marketing yourself. This can be as simple as telling friends and family about your services, or as involved as creating a full-fledged marketing campaign. The goal is to get your name out there and attract clients. Step 4. Join freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find work. They connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Do some research and find out which platform is best suited for your skills. Step 5. Set competitive prices. It's crucial to know what others in your field are charging so you can price your services accordingly. Remember, you're not just selling your time, but your expertise as well. Step 6. Deliver quality work and build relationships. Once you land a job, it's essential to exceed your clients' expectations. This not only ensures they will come back for more, but also increases the likelihood of them referring you to others. Step 7. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Consider starting a blog, creating a course, or even publishing a book. The more streams of income you have, the more financial security you'll enjoy. Step 8. Keep learning and improving. The digital world is always changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. This will help you stay competitive and continue to provide value to your clients. So, are you ready to start your online money-making journey? There's no time like the present to take control of your financial future. Remember, the key to making money online is to use your skills, provide value, and stay consistent. Click the link in the description to learn more about how to make money online. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. So what are you waiting for? Start building your online empire today. For more tips and freebies, go to billycolbertusa.com.